Hey guys, today is September 29th. We are doing a video on 1669. This is a 1998 W900L with manual 10-speed. It's got a red top Cummins in it. That is a Recon motor. There is a receipt in the service logs about the date of the purchase on that engine in the fleet that it was purchased from. Installed the engine themselves. It does have a refrigerator, cold AC, manual 10-speed. Sounds excellent. Slide fifth, Jake's Cruise. Paint looks pretty good on it. Fairly new bumper.